Good afternoon, fishermen. Or it's evening actually. The fish are in the water, so go and get some. Rightio fishermen, got a fish on. See if we can get this one to the net. For some reason they've all been falling off. I know it's not the hooks. Comes up, Papa. I'll let you go, guarantee it. Sort of a bend in the old rod there. That's what we're after. Oh, there we go, one of those little 2.5 pound bullets. Yeah, we got a count of himself. And back where he came from. See you later. Toodaloo.